Hello guys, welcome to my video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can extend your storage capacity from your on-premises storage data center to AWS Cloud by using AWS Storage Gateway. Let's get started. I'm going to provision this storage gateway in London region, and I am already in London region. Click on this storage gateway. If you can't see this one, then you can search here storage, and click here. Click on get started, and here you can see it has three different types of gateways. The first one is file gateway. If you want to store files as objects in Amazon S3, then volume gateway. Volume gateway have two different types of volumes. The first one is cached volumes, the other one is stored volumes, and each serve two different purposes. The first one is your whole data is stored in AWS Cloud, and frequently accessed data is stored locally. The second one is stored volumes, where your on-premises data with scheduled off-site backups. It means your data is stored locally and backs up to AWS Cloud. And the third one is tape gateway, where you can archive your data in Amazon S3 Glacier using your existing tape-based processes. And for this demo, I'm going to provision volume gateway and cached volume. Click on next. Here, you need a software appliance in AWS Cloud to store your data. And for this purpose, I'm going to use Amazon EC2. Select Amazon EC2 and click on launch instance. I come back and here, and I show you these are setup instructions for Amazon EC2, and remember to select M4 X large instance for this demo. I go down and M4, this one, select this one. I'm going to launch this in default VPC, keep all other default settings same, and add storage. You need two volumes for this storage gateway. The first, and AWS recommend 150 gig size, and I'm going to provision 200 for each volume. You need two volumes. The one is upload buffer and the second one is cache. Click on tags, name tag. I name this storage gateway. I'm going to create a new security group, and for this demo purpose, I'm going to allow all traffic. Preview and launch. I don't have any key pair in this region. I'm going to create a new key pair, and remember to download key pair, desktop, and launch instance. Refresh. It is in pending state, and it would take some time to become available, and I am going to fast forward this video and come back once it is available. Our EC2 instance is available. Click on this one, and you need public IP address. Copy this, and now go back to storage gateway and click on next, and I'm going to use this public accessible endpoint. Click on next and paste that public IP address here and click connect to gateway. Name gateway. I am going to call this a demo gateway. Activate gateway. Now it's provisioning, preparing local disks. I would wait for them to become available, and then now they are available, and now you have to allocate these two disks for storage gateway to work. And the first one is upload buffer, and the second one is cache. And now configure logging. I'm going to disable logging for this demo purpose. Save and continue. And now this our demo gateway is available. And now I'm going to create volume from this storage gateway. I'm going to allocate 25 GB to this volume, and name I'm going to call this demo target and create volume. If you want to configure further authentication, you can do this here, but I'm going to skip this and click on volumes, and this is our volume. Refresh this one, and this is volume is available, and this is showing it is not in use. And for demo purpose, I am going to provision one Windows EC2 instance, and I am going to connect this storage gateway volume with our Windows system. I have spin up this EC2 instance for this demo purpose, and please make sure this is not our storage gateway appliance. This is completely different EC2 instance. And click on search, iSCSI, initiator, click on this one, yes, and I need to get some more details. Click on our storage volume and copy this host IP address. Come back here and copy this target. Quick connect, connected, done, okay. And now click on server. It is going to take some time to configure this storage gateway, and I'm going to fast forward this video, and I will come back once this is done. Now these storage services are available. Click on this one, files and storage services, and click on this is our Windows server disk. Click on volumes, bring online, yes, create new volume, next, and now I'm going to create new volume out of this 25 GB disk. Click on next, okay. And I'm going to make 20 GB disk from this, and I'm going to drive letter D, that's fine. Click on next, next, and create. Close, and close this one, and click on files, this PC, and now you can see this is our local disk, and this is storage gateway 20 GB volume, which is accessed from cloud with this computer. And this is how AWS Storage Gateway works, and this is the very cost saving way to extend your storage capacity to AWS Cloud. And this marks the end of this video, and please let me know if you have any question in comments section, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.